Hello, Oddjob Doer here. In today's little fun adventure was someone had a rat problem, right? Maybe a mouse, maybe a rat, run around, find poops and stuff in this garage, and came to this right here. This right here looks like there used to be a sink. Well, maybe not. What's up here? Looks like there could have been a sink up here at one time, right? And there is. But anyways, what babbling along here? This right here is basically an open hole. I'm going to have this thing on it here, round. This right here, so it's basically almost like they pulled out the, even had a drain there, pulled that out, and they probably tried to cover over some plastic. Maybe saran wrap, maybe something else. I see some tape here that I ripped off. Whatever it is, though, it's a no. That's not how you fix that stuff. So, you have this open hole here. Plumbing, right, drain, goes back to where the mouse king lives, whatever, or rat king, who knows. And what I'm gonna do here is fix that so another rat won't be coming through anytime soon, hopefully. And to do that, first thing, you get the right thing. So I took one of these things here to make sure it's the right size, a 1.5 inch, and the best thing I came with was a PVC giant thick pipe here that or pipe cap that should go right on that hole. Like I said, it's gonna be a quick fix. But first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some go on Teflon tape, right? We know this stuff, and I'm gonna roll it out and wrap it around the threads. This is a thread-on piece, as you can see there. So I'll wrap some Teflon tape around that and get back. Alright, so pretty much like that. Actually, a roll-up strip and then a wide stripper on it. And then what we're going to do here is get the cap going on it. Cap here. Brr. Don't cross the threads. And snug it on down. Now, just hand tight with slight ogre strength is good. And there's capped out. Hopefully there's no rats strong enough to bust that out now. There we go. Okay, now, the reason why we did the thread tape is, of course, sewer gases come from that. You know, the poop and the pee and the rat smells. And even though the person before probably did like a piece of plastic and then screwed that on, that cap down there on it, that's a no-no, because after a while, the sewer gases, kind of move in and out, and eventually will, wear out that membrane, maybe even affect it somewhat. And then, of course, if a rodent is in there and senses that, they can probably just punch right through it pretty quick. Now with this, maybe they'll gnaw through it for fun, I don't know, but that there should secure it from any rodents, rats, whatever coming through. And yeah, that should be it. Just be careful, because when I clean this down here, bunch of poop. If you do it wrong, and if it's an infected poop, you could get some viruses, some hunt out there. I think that's still a thing. And yeah. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And thanks for watching. Oddjob Doer, out.